Okay, hello everybody. Taking the third trade of the 30 challenge here. See a second entry again. In an uptrend, this trend line is holding. It's holding at the EMA. I see a micro double bottom. So I have multiple reasons to go long here. So I'm looking for 1 point. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ticks. And I actually dropped a limit order a couple ticks back. So we'll see if we get this. And we got it. So that's the second trade of the day. Good trade's a hard trade. I've waited. Let's see. This is pretty hard to do actually. Instead of just being emotionally driven, I've been fighting the urge for the last few hours. So my second trade was here on this pink marker. I lost that trade, which is fine. Not mad, not upset. Got my notes in front of me. So this is my second trade I took, or sorry, first trade of the day. First entry long, second entry long, right off the key entry point. I have one key entry point. I actually think I might have taken this wrong because it broke the trend line, made a new high, and I can't take trade after new extreme. I'm pretty sure. Still trying to learn the system, but I don't know. I thought that was a really good trade. Then we had a couple second entries, which is good. And that's why we go for 1 point, as Mac would say. Right there, 1 point. So then I got this here, and I waited all day. Took that at 11:18. Waited all day for another trade. I thought I was going to take this trade here. This outside bar trade. I saw that happen, and what happened was it closed down and then up, so it had been first entry long pullback, second entry long, the second it came down and broke up, but I hesitated. I was still shaken up from this trade, so then I was waiting, and now I saw this, and you guys just saw it live, and glad we went for 1 point. This is actually, now that I'm looking at it, not in the trade, it's kind of really congested. That's why I did drop that limit order in though, and I'm glad I did that. Glad I dropped that limit order. I figured we were getting a little oversold because this high is not gone higher than this high. This is 2 legs. This high, this is higher than this high. Blah blah blah. 1, 2, 3. So I figured we were gonna get a correction. I just didn't know when. I was looking for also a lower high, but it never formed. And then I saw these 2 bars here, which are pretty bullish. Saw my first entry, pull back, and then I saw my second entry. And I dropped that limit order in here. This is actually a bullish bar. I know it's not actually a doji. It's not closed in the middle. It's actually closing in its way upper 1/3. So I counted that. So that's the second trade of the day. I know this is a little long, but I just wanted to kind of give you my thought process and for myself on what I'm thinking and what I'm doing. And now this trend line's breaking, so now probably a test back down to the support here. And actually might get a triple test, if anything. 1, 2, 3 or something. Alrighty, I think I'm probably not going to take any more trades unless something really good comes up. Today's been... It looks great in hindsight. Everything looks great in hindsight, doesn't it? But once you're actually looking at it and you're just second guessing yourself, and I thought this was a textbook trade. This one I wanted to take, and then this one I finally did take. So a little choppy, I guess. I'm not really sure if it's the news or if it's just me, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Keeping it raw and real, so I'll upload this one. See you guys on the 4th trade.